Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po ma'am. I am David M. Mahilio from 11 Tribador Daric. You can just call me David po, and I am from Barangay Magahan, General Trias. And an interest that shapes me is I like to dance. Like, legit po, like, kahit saang lupal po ako ng bahay, kumbaga gumaganon-ganon po ako. And a habit that I always do po is nag-journal po ako everyday. Nag-start po ako mag-journal nung January 1, 2026, and kumbaga kinukwento ko lang po yung nangyari nung araw na yon, and sinusulat ko po siya, which is very therapeutic po para sa akin. And one thing I hope to gain from general mathematics is knowledge po. I used to don't like math, pero pag nagigets ko po siya, sumasaya. Kumbaga parang, wait, it's not that bad. Kaya ganun po. I hope to gain knowledge sa general math, and mas mag-evolve po yung understanding ko. So, yun lang po, ma'am. Thank you so much po.